Chapter 17. सप्तदशोऽध्यायः श्रद्धात्रयविभागयोगः। अर्जुनोवाच ये शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य यजन्ते श्रद्धयान्वितः तेषां निष्ठा तु का कृष्ण सत्त्वमहो रजस्तमः। Arjun inquired, O Krishna, what is the position of those who ignore the injunctions of Shastra but still perform worship with faith? Are they sattvic, rajasic or tamasic? Shri Bhagavanuvachah त्रिविधा भवति श्रद्धा देहिनां स्वस्वभावजा सात्विकी राजसी चैव तामसी चेति तां शृणु। Shri Bhagavan said, the faith of embodied beings is of three types: sattvic, rajasic or tamasic. It is determined by past life impressions. Now hear about this. Sattvanurupa sarvasya Shraddha bhavati bharata Shraddhamayoyam purusho Yo yashraddhaya sa eva sa. O Bharat, everyone's faith is determined by the disposition of his mind. All people possess his faith, and in whatever worshipable object they place that faith, they develop a corresponding disposition. Yajante satvika deva yaksha rakshami rajasaha pretan bhuta ganam channe yajanti tamasa janaha. Persons in Satoguna worship the devas who are of a similar mood. Those in Rajaguna worship the yakshas and rakshasas who also have similar passionate natures. And those in Tamoguna worship ghosts and spirits who are similar in nature to themselves. Ashastra vihitam ghoram tapayanti ye tapojanaha Damba ahankara samayuktaha Kama raga balanvitaha Karsayantaha sharirastham Bhutagrimam achetasaha Manachayvantaha sharirastham Tan vidhi asura nischaya. Out of pride and egotism, some people perform severe austerities which are not recommended in Shastra. Motivated by lust, mundane attachment, and desire for power, they inflict pain not only on the elements of the body, but also upon me situated within. Such persons are to be recognized as asuras. Aharastavapi sarvasya Trividho bhavati priyaha Yagyastapasthatha danam Tesham bhedam imam shrunu. The food which different people like is of three kinds, depending on their qualities. The same is true of sacrifice, austerity, and charity. Now hear of the distinctions between them. Ayu sattva balarogya sukha priti vivardhanaha rasyaha snigdaha sthira hridaya aharaha satvika priyaha. Foods which augment life, enthusiasm, strength, good health, happiness and satisfaction, which are tasty, fattening, substantially nourishing and agreeable to the heart and stomach, are dear to sattvic people. कटव अम्ल लवानित्य उष्णातितीक्ष्णरुक्षविधानिः आहार राजसयेष्टा दुःख शोकामय प्रदा. Food which are very bitter, sour, salty, spicy, pungent, dry and burning, and which give rise to pain, grief and disease are liked by people of a rajasic nature. Yatayamam gatarasam puti purishitancha yat uchishtamapi cha medhyam bhojanam tamas priyam. Tamasic people like food which is cooked more than 3 hours before being eaten and which is cold, tasteless, putrid, stale, partly eaten or rejected and impure. Afalankarakshirbhiryagyo vidhidishto yajyate yashtam vayam veeti manaha samadhaya sa satvikaha. The performance of yajna is obligatory. With such resolution of mind, yajna which is executed according to the direction of Shastra and without expectation of reward is satvika. Abhisandhaya tu phalam dambartham api chaiva ijjayate bharat sheshta tam yajnam vidhi rajasam. O best of the Bharat dynasty, that yajna which is executed with the desire for its fruit and which is pretentiously and pompously performed is rajasic. Vidihinam ashritananam mantrahinam adikshanam shraddha virahitam yajnam tamasam parichakshate. That yajna which disregards the injunctions of Shastra, where no prasadam is distributed, no Vedic mantras are chanted, no gifts are given to the priest, and which is performed without Shraddha, is condemned by learned as tamasic. Deva Dvija Guru Pragya Pujanam Socyam Arjavam Brahmacharyam Ahimsa cha Shariram tapaucchayate. Austerities related to the body include worship of the devatas, the Brahmins, gurus, persons with a thorough understanding of the Absolute, and observance of cleanliness, simplicity, celibacy, and non-violence. Anudvegakaram vakyam satyam priyahitanchaya Swadhyaya bhayasanam cheva vangmayam tapucchayate. Words which cause no agitation and which are truthful, pleasing and beneficial, as well as the practice of reciting the Vedas, are all said to be austerities of speech. Manaha prasadaha somyatvam monanam atma vinigraha Bhava samshuddhirite eta tapo manasam uchayate. Austerities of the mind consist of satisfaction, gentleness, gravity, mental discipline, and purity of behavior. Shraddhaya paraya taptam tapas tatri vidham nare Afalankarakshirbhir yukte satvikam parichakshate. This threefold austerity performed by men with transcendental faith, who are free from the desire for any mundane reward, is said to be sattvic. Satkaramana pujartham tapodambena chevaya kriyate tatihi proktam Rajasam chalam dhruvam. That austerity which is performed with pride for the sake of recognition, honor, and adoration is called Rajasic. It is both temporary and uncertain. मूढगृहेनात्मनो यत् पीडाय क्रियते तपः परस्योत साधनार्थं वा तत् तामसम् उदाहृतम्. That austerity which is performed foolishly, which gives pain to the self, or is intended to cause another's ruin, is known as tamasic. दातव्यमिति यद्दानं दीयते अनुपकारिणे देशे काले च पात्रे च तद्दानं सात्विकं स्मृतम्. Charity should be given as a matter of duty. With this resolve, charity given with no expectation of return at a holy place, at an auspicious time, and to a worthy person is considered to be sattvic. Yattu pratyopakarartham phalam uddishya va punaha diyete cha pariklishtam taddanam rajasam smritam. But that charity which is offered with the expectation of gaining some return or benefit, or which is given begrudgingly, is said to be Rajasic. Adeshakale yaddanam apatrabhyascha diyate asatkritam avagyatam tattamasam udaritam. Charity given at an impure place and an improper time to an unworthy recipient in a mood of contempt and disrespect is said to be tamasic. Om tassad iti nirdesho brahmanastri vidha smritaha brahmanastena veda cha yagya cha vihitaha pura tasmad om iti udaritya yajna dana tapa kriya paravartante vidhanokta satatam brahmavadina. It is said that Om, Tat and Sat are the three words used to indicate Brahm, the absolute truth reality. Brahmins, the Vedas and Yajnas were originally created from these three words. Therefore, dedicated followers of the Vedas always commence the performance of sacrifices, charities, austerities, and activities prescribed in Shastra by uttering the sacred syllable Om. Tadityani abhisandhaya phalam yajna tapah kriya dan kriya cha vividha kriyante moksha kankshbhi. Thus, uttering the word Tat, those desirous of attaining moksha perform various types of yajna, tapasya and dan, renouncing the fruits of their activities. Sadbhave sadhu bhave cha sad iti et prayujyate prashaste karmani tatha sashabdah partha yujyate. O Partha, the word Sat, eternality, refers to the Supreme Absolute Truth and to the worshippers of Brahm. In the same way, the word Sat is also used in connection with auspicious acts. Yajne tapasi dane cha stitihi saditi chochayate karma chaiva tadarthiyam saditi eva vidhiyate. Being steadfast in the performance of yajna, tapasya and dan, and knowing their real purpose is called Sat, and activities such as cleaning the temple to please Brahm, Shri Bhagwan, are also called Sat. Ashraddhaya hutam dattam तपस्तप्तं कृतं च या असदिति उच्यते पार्थ न च तत्प्रीत्येनो इह। Yajna, dan, tapasya or any other actions performed without faith are called asat. O son of Pritha, such activities have no benefit either in this world or the next. Iti Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishadsu Brahma Vidyayam Yoga Shastre Shri Krishna Arjun Samvade Shraddhatre Vibhaga Yogo Nama Saptadasho Adhyayah।